Hello, mathematical literacy learners. Welcome to November 2021 Paper 1 revision. As we get ready, let's go. Table 1 below shows the fuel price in US dollars in 6 African countries on 05/06/2019 and 1 March 2021, with the exchange rate per currency on 1 March 2021. Fuel price in US dollars in 6 African countries. Here are the 6 countries: South Africa, Angola, Zimbabwe, Namibia, Swaziland, and Botswana. And then here they're saying fuel prices in dollars on the 5th of June 2019 and then on the 1st of March 2021. So in South Africa, on the 5th of June 2019, the price of fuel was $1.04. Don't confuse this part, it's separate. This is just the exchange rate. This tells us that a current dollar exchange rate on the 1st of March 2021. So on the 1st of March 2021, a dollar was or is 15 rands and 36 cents. Again, a dollar in Angola would be 626.41 Angolan kwanzas. Now let's go to the first question. Calculate the fuel price increase for Zimbabwe from 5/06/2019 to 1/03/2021. Now, if we are calculating the fuel increase, we want to know what is the difference between the two. So when the price was Zimbabwe, it's 0.80 cents, where in June, and then in January, in the 1st of March, it became $1.258. So they want to know how much did it increase with. As we can see, it went up to $1.258. So they want to know how much did it increase with. So what we can do is calculate the difference and then we will know. So in question 1.1.1, we're calculating the difference, which is equal to 1.258 Zimbabwean dollars minus $0.8. Then we go to 1.1.2. Write down the current exchange rate of the Botswana pula to the US dollar in the following format. Botswana pula is equal to, and then they leave a space and they say US dollars. Now this is called a unit ratio. Remember when the ratio is 1:2, right? And then they don't give you an answer. We call that a unit ratio. So we are writing this like a unit ratio. This currency exchange rate is written as a unit rate, right? So, or a unit. So we'd say 1.1.2. First, let's write it as is. 0.14 Botswana pula. And then we say is equal to, then we look for the second one. They said we must write it to the US dollar, and the US dollar is there. This one is equal to $1. Remember they said in the exchange rate, a dollar is equal to this is equal to this. Okay, so now that we've written it like this, they say they don't want it written like this. They want it to be 1 Botswana pula this side. So how can we get that? So the best place way is to divide the 1.14 by 1.14. And the $1 by 1.14. Then 1.14, 11.14. Then we get 1. And then you use your calculator, you say 1 divided by 1.14. And then you get 0.876 $719,298. Then you can worry about, once you've written it, you can worry about rounding off, which is 0.8. If I'm going to leave the money to 2, and then I look at the next one there, it's above 5, it's 5 or above 5, so this one will change to 8. Then my answer is done. I have my answer. Only 2 marks. Identify the countries which showed a decrease in the fuel price from 05062. So this one went up, so I already have Angola as 1, and then I'm gonna go to, so I'm gonna say Angola is 1, and then I say Namibia also went down, Swaziland didn't, Botswana also went down. So there's 3 countries that went down, and so now I can write my answer and say, arrange in descending order the fuel price in US dollars for 01, 03, 2021. So they're saying the first thing they want me to do is arrange. So I know I need to arrange. Descending means decrease. So I need to start from big and decrease to the smallest, right? So I'm arranging my numbers from big to the smallest. But which numbers are those? The ones from fuel. Okay, I got that. And then making sure that I leave it in dollars, and I choose, there's 2 of them, so which one do they want? They want one from March. So number 1 is this one. Number 2 is 0.7, 0.8. Okay, 0.8 is bigger than 0.7, and 1 is bigger than these 2, so that's number 2. And then 0.7, 0.8 is going to be number 3, 0.79 and 0.73. 0.79 is bigger than 0.73, so that's number 4. Then we have 0.73, number 5, and then the smallest number there being number 6. And then I can now arrange them quickly as my answer. 1.1.4. So the probability of randomly selecting a country that is not South Africa is 5/6. Okay, they've already given it to me. They say this is the probability. Now I just have to write it to 3 decimal. They want me to round off, basically. 1. So I have to just write 5/6. This is the question. And then now I'm going to answer the question, which is 5 divided by 6. The answer is 0.8. I have to write the calculator's answer so that I can round off nicely with the answer over here. Now they want me to round off to 3 decimal places. Not to worry, 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place, 3 decimal place. They want me to round off to this number. So in order to be able to do that, I have to look at the neighboring number. The neighboring number is below 5, which means this number stays the same. Okay, so 0.833. So what happens to these numbers? They become zeros. I don't have to write them.